Imagine studying from not one, not two, but three international universities, all in different countries, and get three triple master degrees. Sounds too good to be true, but it is true. My friends have done it, and a lot of international students and Indian students have done it. Let's see Italy, how. Poland, and France are under a triple agreement to provide a triple degree masters, and it's one of a lifetime experience. So, one of the biggest advantages for the students who do this program is that they have access to three countries and three international markets. Poland, and France are under a triple agreement to provide a triple degree masters, and it's one of a lifetime experience. What I'm talking about is the International Finance Program, which is offered by these three universities: University of Macerata in Italy, University of Angers in France, and the Nicholas Copernicus University in Poland. And this is actually the university, this is actually based in the town where Nicholas Copernicus was born, hence the university has the university is named on. So this program is International Finance and Market Program, and the subjects and which it covers is international finance, international markets, laws, and economics. This degree is under a Erasmus Plus program, which means the students can get everything done on a scholarship, which means tuition fees, living expenses, travel expenses, all will be done under this program. And the best part is Europe has a lot of funding and a lot of money is dedicated to this Erasmus Plus program. So the students, international students from anywhere in the world can do this program without worrying the need for the affordability while getting the best world-class education from three universities. There are very few universities in the world who offer this triple degree program. There are many who offer a double degree program, but there are very few unis that offer this triple degree program. So anyone who is excited for this, hear me out. Either go to Poland or France or Italy to start this program. So you basically need to apply for this program, you need to get an offer letter, you need to file all the documents, and one of these three countries should be your home country. First semester you will be staying in the home country you are with, be it Italy, Poland, or France. So in the first semester you will go into the basics of subjects, and in the second semester you will go to Italy to study in the University of Macerata. In the third semester, you will go to France in the University of Angers to study finance with a law and economics. For the last semester, you get the chance to go to Poland and you can study in Nicholas Copernicus University, and you can go and complete your thesis, or you can complete the thesis from your home country as well. So one of the biggest advantages for the students who do this program is that they have access to three countries and three international markets. If they know the language of any of, let's say, two countries, they are like, and they can study in the program. They basically get the student permit, which they can convert into resident permit after they get jobs. So like, once you are in Poland, or once you are in France, or once you are in Italy, and if you know the local language, you can go for internships, search the opportunities. And the plus point is that you would already be in that country, so you won't need sponsorship. So you are open to not just one but three markets. Poland has amazing opportunities, France has opportunities if you know the language, and Italy has not many international opportunities. But with this program, like, if you apply, the thing is, if you apply to a country and you need a resident permit to go there, you need a student permit to go there. With this degree, you will study, you can stay in that country for just 6 months, get the university degree, and you also get to get the resident permit. If you get the student resident permit, you can extend that permit into work opportunities, which is easier to get for the students in that region. It's everywhere the same. If you are the student in that country, you get the access to work permits very easily. If you are the student in that country, you get the access to work permits very easily. So one of my friends is doing that, and he was able to get the job in Poland. So you pay the registration fees in your home university. Let's say that would be Italy, and you have to get the offer letter from that university. There is a specific program. You have to complete 120 credits. So in each university you have to do 30 credits in the foreign university, and you have to complete 60 credits in your home university. There's also a different way in which the credits are broken down. For example, in Poland, you might have to do an English program, a language program, and there are a lot of subjects. In Poland, the 30 credits are divided into 10 or 15 subjects. There are so many subjects, and like each subject has like 3 credits, 4 credits. But in Macerata, the subjects have 9 credits, 6 credits, 9 credits. So it's easier to get credits in Italy. For example, if you do 5 subjects, you can easily get 30 credits. In Poland, on the other hand, you will have to complete a lot of subjects to complete the 30 credits. And in France, there are a lot of co-curricular activities. So for the scholarship, you will either have to apply by Erasmus or by the government. For example, if you are in Macerata, you will get the scholarship by applying in ERDIS. There is a different program and there are different regulations if you are applying for this scholarship, which differs from the regular student. In the Erasmus Plus program, you will get funding, and at the end of the 3 degrees you get network, international colleagues, peers. You can even learn languages. You study from 3 different countries, 3 different curriculums. You can get a global thesis and research network. This might sound interesting and exciting from the video, but actually it takes a lot of strength, resilience, and the ability to travel and manage all the administrative stuff. But if you are able to do that, at the end you are rewarded with something which is so unique. Degree is not in the most charming cities in these countries. Macerata is a university town which is away from Italy, not very well connected, and the public transportation in Macerata is not very well. In Torun, in Poland, the town is nice, the university is nice, but it's not as vibrant as Warsaw or Wrocław. In France as well, the university is in Angers, which is a smaller town, not as good as like we imagine Paris, where people are speaking English. There are a lot of international people, but in Angers, people usually speak French, because also it's not a very international town. In Torun, which is in Poland, this Copernicus University is really nice. So you can not expect the cities to be very nice, but you get to travel, and that also you get to travel for free. So I really recommend this program to anyone who's worried about finances but who wants to study world-class education. So guys, we'll see more details in the description, and the deadline to apply for this program is somewhere in September, October. So keep check on the website and make all these documents in advance, so that you are not worried at the last minute and all those administrative problems are solved. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Ciao ciao. Subscribe if you gained some value. The next video would be on Erasmus, so make sure to check it from here. See you later. Bye bye. Ciao ciao.